Ah, yes. Well, she's working outside. I'm working inside. Getting ready to install the garbage disposal. I got to install a garbage disposal and a sink strainer before I connect all the pipes together to run them out of that drain in the wall. And so this particular video is about how to install a sink strainer. And this is what they call a sink strainer, and that's going to fit down in there. And there's a nut here. I don't really like this kind. See this big nut here? We've got to screw that on underneath, and then I got to use some big channel locks. So I can't really do it myself because then somebody has to come in here and hold this side with a pair of needle nose so it doesn't want to keep twisting and all that kind of stuff. I like the kind where there's a round ring on the back side and there's screws, and then you tighten the screws from down below, and then that pulls this in. I think, yes, the old sink was that way, and the garbage disposal is going to be like that. But the sink, let's just show you. This is the old sink that I pulled out of there. Okay, where is it? Here we go. You see? You see this here? You fit that on in such a manner, and then you screw it down on the back side. And as you're screwing it, it fits up against here, and it actually pulls the sink strainer tight and tight to the bottom of the sink, you know, just by tightening these up. And see, that's how you do a garbage disposal like this, and that's how the new garbage disposal is going to be.